Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain cod liver oil capsules. We'll explore whether they are vegetarian or non-vegetarian and discuss the key differences in their sourcing and ingredients. Understanding these distinctions will help you make an informed choice for your dietary needs. We'll also look at common capsule materials and available alternatives. Traditional cod liver oil is extracted directly from the livers of cod fish, making it a non-vegetarian product. This oil is well known for its omega-3 fatty acids, along with vitamins A and D. The capsules themselves are usually made from gelatin, which is derived from animal collagen, further classifying them as non-vegetarian. For those seeking vegetarian options, algal oil is an excellent plant-based source of omega-3 DHA and EPA, similar to what's found in fish oil. Additionally, some manufacturers now offer cod liver oil in plant-based capsules made from cellulose or tapioca starch, though the oil itself remains non-vegetarian. Flaxseed oil also provides omega-3 ALA. When choosing a supplement, always check the product label for vegetarian or vegan certifications to ensure it aligns with your dietary preferences. Opt for capsules made from plant-based materials such as cellulose or pullulan. If you require a fully plant-based omega-3 source, algal oil is a superior and sustainable choice, offering both DHA and EPA.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.